So in order to get the headrest off, you just need a little tiny screwdriver and put it in the hole here, and then that will allow you to raise the headrest and take the headrest off. So this is the passenger side bracket. You want the longer side, this side is to go on the passenger side. The other one is reversed, and that's for the driver's side. So we're gonna get started by putting these rubber grommets in. And then make sure they're seated on both sides. Should look like that. Do that, and I'll do the other side. There you go. Once those are installed, you can take your headrest. Make sure this is facing the back. Get it to line up and just slowly push it down. Make sure you're putting even pressure on either side. If you go too fast, the bushing will start to come out like that. So you just have to work it back in. You just get it seated against the plastic. Like that. Now you can go ahead and put your headrest back in. Another thing to note is you want these little flanges to be facing up, like they are here. So this is the pet barrier. I have the panel already assembled. These will come in 3 pieces and they just bolt together with the supplied hardware and they line up, and then just go ahead and tighten everything down before installing. Now go ahead and grab your panel, put the turn knob in, and you can start threading one side. I like to just leave it a little bit loose and come over to the driver's side. And these are designed to be a little bit tight so that they don't make any noise. And you just pull the panel over and then get this one started. And then go ahead and tighten them both down. You also want to make sure that the BPF is facing towards you.